Take a ride in the 2020 Toyota Supra. The Toyota Supra features a futuristic style sports coupe. It has an easy-to-drive nature and powerful engine. The Supra has acquired a reputation for excellent reliability. If you are nostalgic, then this is the perfect find for you. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.